What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which is a type of transformer-based neural network. The model is trained on large amounts of text data taken from the internet, and it uses this training to generate responses in a conversational manner. The idea behind ChatGPT is to allow developers to build conversational applications, such as chatbots, that can understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT is a highly sophisticated model that can generate responses to a wide range of questions and topics. It has been trained on a diverse set of texts, including news articles, websites, books, and other sources, so it has a broad general knowledge base. Additionally, the model can generate responses in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and French, among others. To use ChatGPT in an application, developers can simply send the model a prompt, such as a question, and the model will generate a response. The quality of the response will depend on the training data that the model was trained on, as well as the specific version of the model that is used. However, OpenAI continually improves the model by training it on larger and more diverse text datasets, which results in better and more accurate responses over time. If you like this video, share it with your friends.